Hey babes, what's up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. Basically, here's the situation. I'm flying out to New York tomorrow with a couple of my best girlfriends and I have yet to pack any looks, any outfits, nothing. For those of you that don't know, I kind of tend to be a master procrastinator. Even though Nike says just do it, I always do things tomorrow. And basically, I thought to myself, since I was gonna go ahead and style these looks anyway, might as well share it with you guys and hopefully we'll give you some inspiration on how to put certain outfits together. And because you guys already know I thrift a ton, I decided to go ahead and incorporate some thrifted pieces in every single one of these looks to kind of show you guys how I style thrifted items that I've just been really loving this month. And because I'm only packing a carry-on, I'm probably only bringing like 2 or 3 pairs of shoes. First, I have my Doc Martens, which I love. I have the platform ones. Honestly, just match a bunch more outfits, and I love that they have a zipper, so they're super easy to slide on and off every day. But because I'm such a sneaker gal and I love pairing sneakers with every single one of my looks, I do definitely need an iconic pair of white sneaks, so my Air Force Ones are going to be perfect for that. This is the first thing that I already know I want to style to the airport. It's one of my most recent thrift finds. Basically, it's just a little vintage looking Nike athletic crew neck, and I absolutely love the color of this. It's like a beigey nude, and just in case I get too warm at the airport or something, I want to go ahead and style a little black crop t-shirt right underneath. It's gonna make it much easier to shed off a few layers. So that's basically the little crew neck on, and something I've been seeing recently on my Pinterest that I've been loving is like matching sets, which kind of like match in color. And even though I do have a couple that I already bought, I actually thought this one would pair perfectly with one of my favorite pair of sweats from Aritzia. These are from the TNA brand, and I absolutely love how they fit because they're more of a jogger style. They're not too baggy. For shoes, I think I'm gonna go ahead and style them with my Docs, just because these are super humongous and really heavy, and I feel like wearing them in the airport instead of packing them in my luggage will save me a ton of space. And I just absolutely love how much height these boots actually give me. And I'm also going to be wearing the biggest coat that I'm actually taking with me. I got another super puff. I know, this is the 3rd one in my collection. At this point, it is a collection. You guys know that I actually already have one in white that's short, and I have a really long black one too. But for more everyday, I just thought getting a super puff in like a short black style is more practical because I don't really care if this one gets dirty because it's black, plus it's short, so I can really match it with anything. But let's go ahead and add this black little beanie. Alright y'all, so there you go, the little winter outfit. Super obsessed with how it looks, but definitely wearing the biggest pieces that I want to take with me on my trip is the best way for you guys to save space in your luggage. So outfit number 1 is done. Let's go on ahead and move on to the next look. Alright, so the next thing that I know I want to style is actually a big oversized t-shirt. Off the bat, to make this look a little bit more different than what you would typically see, I didn't want to go ahead and pair it with some blue jeans because I feel like that's kind of like what I always do with graphic t-shirts. So instead, I paired it with one of my absolute favorite pair of pants. These are the high-waisted Jamie flares. They're so flattering, and I feel like they make my legs look super long because they kind of flare out at the bottom. And I feel like when you have a really huge t-shirt like this that kind of covers your bum, you tend to kind of lose the longevity of your legs. So by wearing pants that are more flared, you end up getting a bit of that height back that you lost because of the length of the shirt. Wearing a simple t-shirt like this, even with a jacket, may still be a little bit too chilly. So instead, I'm going to be doing one of my favorite tricks, which is just pairing a turtleneck underneath a graphic t-shirt. And this turtleneck is actually a piece that I thrifted. I love thrifting my basics because I feel like it's really easy to find little pieces like this. But there you go, quick little hack if you guys want to wear your graphic t-shirts in the winter. Turtlenecks become your best friends. So as we noted, we kind of lost our figure with this entire top because it is so oversized. So by pairing a jacket right on top that's a bit more cropped, it kind of helps you redefine that waist once again. This look would definitely work with some sneakers. I'm actually going to go ahead and pair my Docs with this because I feel like flare pants with Doc Martens just are a perfect combination together. And I promise not every look is going to have a beanie, but this one, it matches the shirt so perfectly that I had to pair it together. Even though the outfit is mostly black and white, the texture of the jacket plus the little pops of color just show a bit more of my personality, which I love. Alright, so starting off the next look, I knew that in New York I wanted to go ahead and style one of my favorite trends, which is wearing little cardigans as tops. So this cardigan I'm actually wearing right now, I thrifted in my last thrift trip as well. If you guys haven't seen that video, by the way, I'm going to go ahead and link it right up here for you. I just really love this yellow pastel color. This pair of denim I'm wearing, it's super high-waisted, which I love, and it's definitely more of a light wash. And because this cardigan is already kind of frumpier and doesn't have much shape to it, what I personally love to do with cardigans like this is tuck them into jeans. I would just like really get in there, tuck it in fully, tightly and pull down the fabric as much as you can so you don't have any lumpiness. Now that it's been tucked in, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull a little bit of that out. And as you can see, just styling the cardigan this way automatically looks more flattering because you emphasize your waistline a little bit more. And stacking a shorter chain with a longer chain, the longer chain especially, will definitely elongate your neck, kind of make this whole collarbone area a little bit more flattering. Honestly, if the weather in New York wasn't as cold as it is, I would probably just go on ahead, pair this outfit with my Air Force Ones, call it a day, because this is a super cute look for spring. I'm telling you, I love this puffer. It really goes with everything. So I know that most of you guys probably think that a top that matches this closely to a pair of denim is a big no-no, but I personally, especially recently, have been really loving to style really similar colors, whether that's denim on denim or just like blue colors with jeans, stuff like that. So I'm going to show you another way that you can style this little cardigan to kind of break up the whole symmetry going on. And I'm actually going to go ahead and create a faux crop top using this little cardigan. So I am actually wearing a bra underneath, and you will be needing a bra if you want to go ahead and do this. But basically all you're going to be doing is taking the edges of your little sweater, taking them and tucking them right underneath your bra. You pretty much end up with this, not so cute, but then when you go ahead and pull it down, you could end up with a really cute faux crop top of any cardigan. You don't have to take a pair of scissors to it. You can style it however you like, make it at any length you prefer. And it also really helps with certain looks like this to break up the color contrast. Still wearing those same docs that I had on in the last look, and this is seriously a cute outfit in and of itself. So to layer on top of this, something recently I've been loving to do is go ahead and take really like feminine girly pieces and put on something a bit more structured. So blazer jackets, you guys have seen that they have been super popular recently, and I actually thrifted this one on one of my past thrift trips. It was either a small from the men's section or an extra large in the kids section, and I absolutely love how like overfit it looks. It does have a bit of the shoulder pads. If you find a blazer you like, you can definitely take those out, but I actually left them in because I think it gives a nice bit of edge and structure to the look. And especially with a cute little bun and some hoops, I actually feel like this is definitely something that I would style out and about in New York City. And this is definitely an outfit I'd reach for if I want to go get some brunch. If it's going to be too cold just with the blazer, I could always add a coat on top and then just take it off when I'm ready to take that Instagram photo. Why does this always happen to me, you guys? I just noticed that I recorded that entire part of the video with my mic not plugged in. So I apologize for the terrible audio. Future videos will have much better audio quality, as you can hear right now. And because I'm leaving tomorrow and I still have so much to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the video. And basically for this look, I just wanted an outfit that I can wear if we go for like a nicer place for dinner, I guess. This entire outfit is actually thrifted. I got this little turtleneck that actually is sleeveless, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, wow, that is so Rachel Green 90s. I am living for it. And then I actually stumbled across these incredible pants too, and I absolutely love like how they flow, and I felt because the material was obviously shiny, it would definitely be nicer to wear them for a nicer night out. And for shoes, I'm gonna go ahead and stick to that same rule. Like I mentioned in the first outfit, when you have pants that kind of flare and they're a little bit wider, wearing them with a heel definitely makes them look more flattering. I know sometimes the all black can be super intimidating, but again, because you have a little bit of that midriff showing, it kind of breaks up the whole blackness you have going on. But another option is I may actually go ahead and bring this really soft white button down with me and kind of style it right on top if I want to break up the black and make this look even more casual. For the last outfit, I had to go ahead and style another sweatshirt because at the end of the day, especially when you go on trips sometimes, you want to just be comfy. You feel me? So when I actually found this sweatshirt at the thrift store a couple days ago, I like freaked out because this is like an identical replica of a sweatshirt that I wanted from Aritzia. You guys know their sweatshirts are kind of expensive. I think they're like $80 for a simple crew neck. I got this one for like $3.99. Going about this look, we're gonna keep it super simple. I actually just paired it with one of my favorite Levi's that I DIY'd myself. Like, look at these rips. They look so well done, and I'm still super proud of them. And I know I haven't really shown you guys many outfits wearing my Nike Air Force Ones, but I'm bringing them anyway because I feel like if my legs get too tired slugging around those huge docs, I'll switch out my Air Force Ones and they're honestly gonna work with every single one of these looks. But ideally, I would probably go ahead and wear this look with my docs as well. I don't know what to tell you guys. If there's something you can take away from this video, is that these shoes go with everything. And the reason I actually decided to style this look is because I really wanted to wear this hat. I got sent this hat from Reebok, and this is my absolute favorite yellow mustard color. Yes, I just love this color contrast. I think the blue with the yellow looks so good together. And at this point, guys, I'm going for 3 days, so how many jackets can I really bring? I'm just gonna go ahead and recycle my puffer once more. And that's what's so great about versatile jackets like this. Pair them with any outfit and you can really switch up any look. And this is my final complete comfy New York City look. Alright y'all, that's it for today's video. I am sweaty, but I guess I'm ready to pack. I didn't even mean for that to rhyme. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want more style with me videos, me just explaining my process of how I put outfits together, let me know down below if this helped you in any way. If you guys don't already, definitely go ahead and follow me on Instagram to keep up with all our adventures in New York, to see me style these pieces and more thrifted pieces that I just accumulate in my wardrobe. Hopefully it serves you guys up with a lot of thrifting and outfit inspo. But other than that, subscribe down below if you haven't already to join our amazing family. Love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!